Want to know how to do keyword research like a pro? Let's dive into the heart of SEO. Keyword research isn't just about traffic or conversions. It's about understanding your audience and what they're searching for. Stay tuned to learn about the process of keyword research in simple, easy-to-understand steps. Firstly, identify your niche. This means understanding exactly who your target market is, what they want, and what you can offer them. It's about pinpointing the unique area your products or services excel in. Once you have identified your niche, you are ready for the next step. The next step is to use keyword research tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you discover popular search terms related to your niche. They reveal which keywords are highly searched and less competitive, aiding in strategic content creation. With the right tools, you can find the most effective keywords for your niche. The third step is to analyze the competition. It's essential to know what keywords your rivals are using. Understanding their keyword strategy can provide valuable insights. By doing so, you're gearing up to outsmart them. Analyzing the competition will give you a better understanding of the market and help you strategize effectively. Now that you know how to do keyword research like a pro, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Remember, these steps are the foundation of SEO, and Authority Solutions is here to assist. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more SEO tips and tricks. Remember, your SEO success begins with keyword research. Start now.